how to turn on and off replay on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off replay on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the shutter button to capture a snap. And now here, once you have taken the photo, on the right hand menu, you can see the timer option. So simply tap on it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply scroll and set the timer to no limit. And here with that, you can just go ahead and send your snap to the friends, and that's how we can turn on replay and turn off replay again. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.